Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to freeze video in Alight Motion. To freeze your video frame on Alight Motion is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Alight Motion application on your preferred device. You can now go ahead and open up a new project or open up an existing project you would like to work on with. Here I've added a video clip onto the timeline. Once you have the video clip, go ahead and locate the frame you want to freeze. By using the white line, stop on the frame you want to freeze and then go to the top right corner and tap on the export button with a little arrow in it. From the menu available, tap on current frame as PNG and tap on export at the bottom. After exporting the frame onto your device's camera roll, go ahead and import the frozen frame layer. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right and then get to your camera roll. Select the image or the frame that you just exported. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see that the frozen frame has now been added to your timeline. Go ahead and select the frozen clip and cut off the part that you no longer need by using the scissor tool at the bottom. I've only selected this much of the clip. Now, you will need to go ahead and drag the clip and place it on your desired area on the video that you want to freeze. After you are done, play your video by tapping the play button. You can also drag the duration of the frame by using the edges on the screen. Drag it left or right according to your preference, and after you are done, you will be able to see that you have successfully freezed video in Alight Motion. So that's how it's simply done. After you are happy with your result, you can export your project like you normally would. So that's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.